लोग डांसिंग सिंगिंग क्लासेस ले रहे हैं वो टॉप नहीं करेंगे,
नहीं, I'm
but
not saying so,
they can
but
still attempt. Medical students have zero social life.
in AIMS we celebrate almost all festivals.
Wow.
And we also go out.
Oh, which is why doctors are always recommending other doctors कि आप इनके पास चले जाइए, ये इस चीज में बहुत अच्छे. Now it makes sense. Is MBBS too hard to enjoy?
We sit in rooms, we play music, we dance also.
Hello and welcome to an exciting episode of Mauj Masti, but also a little bit of myth busting with Tanishka, who doesn't need any introduction क्योंकि आप लोग तनिष्का को बहुत देखते हैं और बहुत प्यार करते हैं. Anyway, so moving forward, I'm going to ask you some questions and you have to be very honest with them because the viewers who are watching उनको आपका honest answer चाहिए. टेबल पे हाथ रख के कसम खाओ कि you will be honest.
ले ब्रेड पौड़ी कसम.
So the first segment is going to be about the NEET preparation. Does NEET require a lot of rote learning?
Like it does कि you have to be sincere with your studies, but it is not like कि तुम अपनी life वहीं तक limit कर लो. For me it was so because I was in Kota, I was away from my family, friends, but मैं उनके साथ touch में थी. But many of my batchmates who were at their homes, like they continued dancing, some continued learning new instruments. Like you need not limit yourself to studies only. For me it was so because I was away from my home and family.
Okay, ठीक है. So you're saying that studying is the most important thing और जो लोग dancing singing classes ले रहे हैं वो top नहीं करेंगे.
नहीं, I'm
but
not saying so.
They can still attempt.
Like अगर तुम अपने जितना स्टडीज को टाइम चाहिए यू आर गिविंग दैट टाइम, उसके अलावा तो मतलब ऐसा नहीं कर सकते ना कि यू कैन स्टडी फॉर द होल डे. बाकी जो भी मतलब तुम्हें चीज़ें जो रिलैक्सिंग लगती है तो यू शुड कंटिन्यू दोस थिंग्स.
ओके, ठीक है, कूल, गुड आंसर. So our second segment is going to be about medical college life. तो नीट एग्जाम आपने क्रैक कर लिया है और अब आप मेडिकल कॉलेज में. तो दिस मिथ इज अबाउट दैट. ओके, आप अभी मेडिकल कॉलेज में हो, सो यू विल बी एबल टू बर्स्ट दिस मिथ आल्सो. सो तनिष्का, माय क्वेश्चन टू यू इज मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स have zero social life.
No, it is not like that कि medical students like they study for the whole day. Like it is true कि medical में you have to study for long. Like तुम्हारे you will be studying for almost 10 to 12 years to become a good doctor. But काफ़ी first year तो is fun. Like usually most of the people they study, like we study regularly but we study more just before the exams. बाकी fun होता है weekends पे we go out and like in AIMS we celebrate almost all festivals.
Wow.
Like we have a lot of parties and we also go out. It's not like कि AIMS में medical में you have no social life.
Okay, so you're saying college life में you can go out on weekends and you celebrate all the festivals.
Yes.
And you're studying through the week though. And exam के पहले माहौल थोड़ा
It is so tense. Like people study from morning till night.
अच्छा, मतलब एग्जाम के टाइम पे तो पढ़ाई करनी. खैर वो I think that also happens a lot. Like even when you're giving a board exams and all of that, एग्जाम के टाइम पे तो you have to like you know, एग्जाम का टाइम तो हर जगह ही टेंस होता है. बट एनीवे, कूल. सो तनिष्का, मेरा तीसरा सवाल, जो तीसरा सेगमेंट है, दैट इज अबाउट MBBS चैलेंजेस. और मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि इज MBBS too hard to enjoy?
Like it is not that. So like we have classes from 9 to 5.
Okay.
So it is like actually a hectic schedule.
Very.
कि तुम्हें 9 से 5
It's like a job.
Actually. और उसके बाद you are tired like for the whole day you are studying in the class.
I'm sure.
But it is not like that you can't enjoy. कि उसके बाद भी we come to the hostels, we sit in rooms, we play music, we dance also. But और काफ़ी लोग like AIMS में काफ़ी AIMS is I feel the best medical college कि उसमें तुम्हारी social life you don't cut off from people. Like in AIIMS there are about 650 students
Okay.
and almost everyone knows each
650 students in total?
हाँ, like
Okay.
there are about 130 students in every batch
Okay.
and there are 5 batches total.
Okay, ठीक है.
So there are about 650 students.
Hmm.
So कम लोग हैं तो almost सब एक दूसरे को जानते हैं. उसके बाद AIIMS में you have a very much happening life.
That's going to be so exciting. AIIMS में सब एक दूसरे को जानते हैं when everybody becomes a doctor. Oh, which is why doctors are always recommending other doctors कि आप इनके पास चले जाइए, ये इस चीज में बहुत अच्छे. Now it makes sense. Yes.
फिर उसके बाद AIIMS में योर लाइफ इज सो हैपनिंग लाइक इट इज़ नॉट लाइक कि तुम बस पढ़े जा रहे हो. AIIMS में वी सेलिब्रेट ऑलमोस्ट एवरी फेस्टिवल.
Yes.
Like recently we celebrated Onam, which is festival of Mallu people.
Okay.
But whole AIIMS was there.
Hmm.
तो AIIMS में you
Wow.
have got a very much happening life. तो उसमें कॉलेज के साथ साथ काफ़ी ज़्यादा फन हो जाता है. Like you don't need
And
to-
also like you said आपने ये celebrate किया अभी, so ऐसा भी होता होगा ना कि different cultures से लोग आते हैं कॉलेज में, तो
Actually.
everybody is celebrating everything.
Like you get to know the other cultures. Like हम अगर नॉर्थ में रहते हैं, अगर सिर्फ नॉर्थ वाले बच्चे होंगे वहाँ पे, तो you can't get to know the साउथ वाला culture.
Fair enough. Yes.
But when many people are there, you are celebrating their festivals, they are celebrating your festivals.
Yeah,
so
very nice. Lovely. So with example you proved that it's not true that there is no social life and it's too hard to enjoy. The next segment, career opportunities. My question to you is, MBBS graduates can only become doctors.
it is not that. So like many people, they go to the UPSC wala thing.
Yeah.
Some may like they have their new startups in which they grow up. The founder of an academy, he was also an AIIMSonian. So like there are many career opportunities. You need not to be a doctor after MBBS.
Yeah. Okay. So there are other career opportunities as well. Nice. I also am just interested what startups can MBBS students go for. Do you have any other examples also?
I like mostly go for these educational ones. Some may also go for research, healthcare also.
Oh wow, nice. Yes, makes sense. There's one more thing that I wanted to ask you for everybody who's watching. So one more myth that we can probably bust for them, that toppers do not share their real strategies. So is that true?
No, that's not true. See, the thing is, जिसको आज तुम like the people who are rankers now, when they were studying, they were also normal students like you. Like they were not destined to be toppers. कि उनको बस बोल दिया गया था कि तुम अलग तरीके से पढ़ो, तुम्हारी रैंक आ जाएगी. They were also studying in a similar way like you. They give tips which were effective for them. Like it is not necessary कि जो उनके लिए work किया वो तुम्हारे लिए भी work करेगा. But they share things which work for them. तो अगर तुम वो चीज़ follow कर सकते हो, and if it is working for you, then follow the thing. बाकी the best thing is which I think कि go for the thing which works for you. Like they say कि इतने some people say कि 5 घंटे पढ़ने से हो जाएगा. But the thing is कि सबकी speed vary करती है, सबकी IQ vary करती है, सबकी memory vary करती है. तो हमें like we have to study in a way जो हमारे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा work करेगा. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि toppers आते हैं वो बस ऐसे बोल के चले जाते हैं 3 घंटे में पढ़ने से हो जाते हैं. उनका भी नहीं हुआ था और कोई ऐसा बोलता भी नहीं है कि 3 घंटे पढ़ने से हो जाता है. और बाकी द थिंग इज कि हमें मतलब जो टॉपर बोलते हैं वो सब चीज़ें नहीं फॉलो करनी होती क्योंकि वो चीज़ उनके लिए वर्क करी थी. और सब लोग सब ह्यूमन डिफरेंट होते हैं. तो फिर डू द थिंग विच वर्क्स फॉर यू. लाइक यू नीड नॉट टू ब्लाइंडली फॉलो अ पर्सन. लाइक टेक द थिंग्स फ्रॉम व्हाट दे सेड जो तुम्हारे लिए वर्क करेंगी. और आई डोंट थिंक इट इज सो कि टॉपर्स आके ऐसा फेक एडवाइस शेयर करते हैं. वो
of course, I'm sure. Yeah. Thank you, Tanishka, for busting this myth as well. So this is a wrap on myth busting adventure. And you guys who are aspiring to be doctors, remember that the journey is as beautiful as the destination. Right, Tanishka? So keep learning, keep dreaming, and very soon you're going to be on the other side.